These are the desiccant bags I use in my safe to keep everything dry and from rusting, and to keep anything that's important in there dry. This is a 32 unit bag. It's a large bag. I keep 2 of these in the safe, that way I can rotate one in, dry it out, keep the other one in the safe. In order to know what the humidity level is, I use humidity indicators. That's what these are. This one is showing about 10%. And to show you the difference of what these look like as they're reading, I intentionally got this one in a humid environment. This one's reading right around 30%. And it says danger if pink, change desiccant. So if I get anywhere above 10% in my safe, I'm drying these guys out. That way I know that my safe will be dry. So I'm going to go over how to recharge these desiccant packs in a second here. So an important thing to do, because these packs are packed with a synthetic material around them that will melt if it's heated too much, is I wrap them in a towel. That keeps them from being directly impinged upon by the radiated heat of the oven. So I wrap them up. Then I set the oven to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to get a cookie sheet. Hold on a second. So I'm going to take this cookie sheet, stick it in the oven. And then stick the wrapped desiccant bag inside the oven. And let it recharge. I have a second one that I'm going to throw in here real quick too. Alright, so I have both of them in there, and then I'm going to just let this oven sit here for the next 16 hours at 250 and let these dry out. So you're probably wondering how to check to see if these are actually dry. And what I'm going to do, you see I have a glove on, is I'm going to take it out of here. Be careful because it's really hot. You don't want to burn yourself. And we're going to go walk it over to the window. This has been in here for a couple, maybe 4 hours now. So this is really going to be off-gassing moisture now. So you can actually see when it's actually still wet. So here I am in front of the window. You just put it up to the window. Just hold it there for a little bit, and you can see moisture still coming out of the bag. So when this stops happening, when the moisture stops outgassing from the bag when they're hot, that's when you know they're dry. Alright, so this has been about 20 hours, and you can check this thing about every 4 hours on the second day. This has been checked multiple times, and what we'll do is we'll run it over the window and do the check on it. I know it's dry now, so we'll check it anyways, show you what the difference is. Walk this over to the window. Still hot. It has to be hot for this check. It's windy out there today. Those trees are blowing around. And what you're looking for is no moisture off-gassing onto the window when it's really hot. The bag is still hot. And you can see it's totally dry. So anyways, I hope this video was helpful. Allows you to recharge your desiccants, to reuse them again in your safe or wherever you're using them. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.